Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to Patois Chronicles. How you guys doing? Guan, what's up? So if you have come to Jamaica and you have never yet tried sorrel drink, you need to come back. Alright, so I was introduced by the British out here in Jamaica. I come from the hibiscus family. Yes, hibiscus plant can drink and I never know. Stop your ramping.
Man, stop your ramping.
That is another thing that we say here in Jamaica. Watch this entire video now. Boom. List first on the list, Yamabella, Yam Ed. Yes, here in Jamaica. Of course, I don't know if it's Jamaica alone, but it out here flood the place with Jamaica. Yamabella, Yam Ed. What you should know about Yamabella, Yam Ed? Alright, so the boy there, you don't know, Magim girl born. Yeah, she a Yamabella. Some girl are really Yamabella. I don't know if you saw the two about. You don't know, tell me now. Comment down below, let me know how it got the Yam Ed Yamabella business.
Rub. Yeah, boy, yeah, me.
So, Yamabella, you know, say, she a Yamabella, she a Yam Ed. What come to your mind? Type it down below, but see it here in English language. Silly. Alright, he's cheating on her and she's a silly female. He might cheat by you, why not just let him go? Boy, I'm loving me, see? But, you know, say me a Yam Ed. I'm enjoying being Yam Ed, you know? I mean, they're acting stupid, he's not taking care. And then you have that sort, Yamabella, Yam Ed. Alright, the English, silly. Silly female. I don't know why they say it's silly, but that's what I get from it. But if you get something different, type down below and let me know. But he's cheating on her. Alright. Oh, in Patois, Yam Ed, partner, making a fool out of her. Right? Wow! Next panelist. Top load me up now. Yeah, load up the thing for you. Just load up the thing. So I warm to you. Here in Jamaica, we often use this load up. Yeah, load me up. Chill, man. You just load up the thing easy now. What a guan? What's up? You just load it up.
You just load up the thing. So me I go near to me and whisper, just load it up.
Alright, so yes, load up the thing, not load up the thing. No, I'm not gonna load it up, alright? So yes, now of course in Patois, load up. Let us look what the English version to this thing for now. You know, come on, so you learn something, you know. So say load up. Say load up the thing. Top load up the thing. Say top load up the thing. And in English language, expose. Belly man, let me know where me get them from. Belly man, why you want to expose me? Belly man, why you want to expose me? What you think? I mean, we Jamaican, we put fun in this, but say in English language is the word expose. Alright? So loud up, expose. Next panelist, Tia. Me find you know, Tia. Me find the bag. You know, long me they look for the bag. Tia. Remember, here in Jamaica there are 14 parishes, and to each parish you'll find a different accent, different tone, different expression. For me here, I'm a Kingstonian, so you'll find that you can understand me a little, but yeah, people like the Senti, my mommy, God bless her soul, she was from St. Elizabeth. She was born in St. Elizabeth. Her patois, patois. Yeah, me find it. See ya. Alright, so seat ya. Now let us look in the English language and see what I mean or not. Here it is. That's simple what I mean. Here is your bag. I found it in the closet, or here is your passport. I found it in a drawer. I found your bag. here it is. So basically in Jamaica, Setia is here. Alright, so here am I. Here. There. Wagwan. Yes, see you back here. Complete now. So Setia is here. So the next time you hear Setia, you know what I mean. Alright? So the next time I come down in Jamaica, you're supposed to have some words. Say yes. And guys, please to comment down below and let me know the word for today is Setia. So if I know you watch the entire video, if I not say Setia down below, it means you don't watch the entire video. So Setia.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Next panelist, ramping. Tap the ramping. You can't ramp, so you just a ramp. Hey, come here.
You boy, go ahead class, you ram too much man.
Here in Jamaica, plain with I should never said that, and the English I'm not edit it out in the people ramping, so you don't know what ramping mean. And a ramping mean a fruit. It's not the name of a fruit here, it's not the name of a dance. I don't know, I don't know much about the things of the world, but I do hear things, and I know you have something named a ramping shop. Yeah, because at the salon, the people them and pass and see them a ramping shop. You know below, tell me down below what it mean. I don't know what it mean. So ramping, so I'm a very, very plain, you don't know, Christian chick or keep it real. Ramping shop, what come to my mind, I don't know. But in English language, let me see what the English are come with. Oh, it's plain. Oh my, gee whiz. So yes, ramping, say it, ramping. Tap the ramping. It's not tap the ramping. Tap the ramping. No. Tap the ramping. And English language plain. Stop the plane. Stop playing over there. Be careful. Stop the plane. Or you know, it means stop the plane. We're not forgetting that sentence. That's what I mean, right? So ramping, plain. English language, plain. Patois, ramping. And a ramping. I'm making the ramping. Ray and the ramping. Get the groove and the ramping. So yes guys, yes, we've come to the end of another Patois video. Yes guys, bless up on yourself, big up, enough love, Irie, yeah man. I don't know the things that's already. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys tomorrow at 6 a.m. and morning glory, and of course on Thursday at 6 p.m. over in games night. Yes, and at 12 I'm gonna know, yes, for 12ish for the Bible study, but I want to know because work have me away right now. And remember to check out my members, guys. They're listed down in the description box. Yeah, description box, Nisha. Good God, check them out. Okay, this is the girl Nisha signing out, aka Jazzy. Bye.